into Christianity? I mean, what's going on? I mean, recently I've seen Joe mention quite a few things about Christianity. I don't find anything wrong. It's very, very interesting. It's like, Joe, you know, what's up, buddy? What's going on? Whereas the older Joe, you know, he used to be a bit more like, nah, it's fake. Mushrooms, psychedelics.
That's why it's so prevalent in so many cultures. It helps people.
It's about love.
Yeah.
It's all about love. Just as I know.
But a lot of people often say that as well. Like, I need a lot of evidence before I find out God is real. I need to see him. Like, he needs to jump on me, make, I'm real. Then I'm going to believe. But then why do you call it faith? Do you understand? Faith is believing even when you don't see something. I mean, faith is a baby in the mother's womb believing that, yes, my parents do exist, my mom does exist, even though I can't see her, but it would be false of me to say she doesn't exist. So that's what I'm saying. It's literally a child in the womb saying, oh, I don't believe in parents, I don't believe in mom because I can't see her. If I saw her, then I'm going to believe. It's a similar thing, but let me know what you guys... Even that though, if that already proves the point in itself, because if he was so ahead of the entire generation, years upon years ahead, does that not show he has knowledge that they didn't know? Does that not show he was superior or above their knowledge in a type of way? I mean, it's like me in today's generation having flying saucer, like all of this kind of crazy technology that the world has never seen before. I know it and nobody else knows it. How do you explain that? Apart from, okay, he is somewhat superior or his intelligence is just beyond what... How? Does that make sense? We can only explain it, but maybe he's God or he's... You get what I mean. But obviously with God, it's way above that. It's a spiritual thing. But I'm just trying to go more on the narrative that Joe was pinpointing or talking about, if that makes sense. Look, we're all children of God. We are all literally sons of God, but he's the begotten one. He is directly God. That's why even in the Bible, you catch him forgiving people's sins, as in your sins been forgiven. How can a human forgive someone's sin? This is where the Muslims, like, so that you're seeing right here, and I'll catch you guys on the next